Alright, today I will show you how to create page layouts for your Nuxt 3 application. And for the demo, we have this a really simple e-commerce application with the home page and this products page. And I will show you how to create a default layout for all of your pages and a custom layout for maybe this products page. So let's get started. And if we take a look at our code, you can see that most of this stuff is identical except this main part. So we will create a layout folder. So this is how you create your layouts. This is where you should store your layouts in a Nuxt 3 application layouts. And then for the layout for all of our pages, we should create a layout called default. And I will actually paste everything here. So everything should stay the same, except we will replace this part with a slot because it should be dynamic. We will need this. So, and now if we come here, we can remove all of this. By the way, this is our home page. Yeah, so let's go to the browser and give it a refresh. And yes, now we are using our default layout. If we go here, you can see that our default layout added is on top of our products page. So let's go here and let's get rid of this part. Now our products page also, it was using, but it should get rid of this header part. Now let's create a layout for our products. So we can name it products and that view. Let's actually copy this default layout, paste it here, and I will make slight changes. It doesn't really matter what, just for you to get the idea. I'll delete the logo and this login button, so it should. Let's actually change this link to send us to homepage. Now let's go the browser and refresh. It didn't really work, yeah, because we need to use this layout. So we can do it by define page meta, and it accepts a single object. And here we can define our layout, which is products. So it will look for layouts inside this layouts folder, and yeah, so we're using this product layout. Save it and go to our browser, refresh. For some reason it didn't work. Okay, something's not right. Let's see where it is. Let's go to products page. Okay, because I accidentally typed this inside the layouts folder, it should be inside this products page, not the layout. So it should work now. Let's refresh our page. And as you can see now, this is the navigation from our products layout. And if we go to click, this is our default layout and this is our products layout. So that's pretty easy, as you can see. Now you can start applying this to your own application. I hope you learned something new, and as always, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next off.